Good morning everyone. We will make seed balls. To make seed ball, we have to take wrapping paper, colorful sticks, custard apple seeds, soil and water. Add some water. And make the balls. And prepare 5 to 7 balls. Put seeds in the bowl at least 2. And let it dry for 24 hours. Now it is dry. Then wrap the papers. Now this is ready.